Welcome again, guys, to today's class. And today we are going to look at a prominent area in the part of AI system, and that is Cloud AI. First of all, we have to start by understanding the term Cloud AI. We're going to master the content of Cloud AI both for beginners and for the advanced people who require the cloud knowledge for their daily life. Stay with me. I'm yours always, Hayecho. So let's first start by understanding the term cloud AI. When someone tells you cloud AI, what does it mean? Or when I tell you go and use cloud AI, what do I mean? We're going to master that in a few minutes coming. So cloud AI is a large language model. As you can see, it's one of the large language models, and it is developed by Anthropic. Someone can be asking, who is this Anthropic? Where or what is this Anthropic? As you can see, Cloud AI is something developed by Anthropic. And once you hear developed by Anthropic, I mean that Anthropic is someone. Anthropic is a developer who is the owner of Cloud AI. So once you understand the owner of the Cloud AI, we're going to know how AI can be help us, how AI can help us in our real life, how AI can be our helper. Yeah, because in a simple or overview explanation, AI is something which must be understood, not should be, but must be understood. So it is designed to provide safe, reliable, conversational AI, ensuring a user-friendly interactions with advanced capabilities. So Cloud AI aims to enhance productivity, creativity across various applications, making it an essential in today's digital scope. In today, we have a lot of business analysts, we have data analysts, we have researchers. And you cannot tell me you want to do this thing on personal without using AI assistance. That's madness and time consuming thing. What you need to do, apply the usage of Cloud AI today. Why? Cloud AI, we are going to look upcoming how it will help you to do research, how it help you do that coding you want. You know, there is a time, we lack time. And with the coming of AI such as cloud, you can do this thing in a blink of an eye. So without, let us proceed to the next part of it. Key features of cloud AI. What are some of the key features? There's natural language understanding, and that's what something which automatically, because even when you open Cloud AI, it greets you like a natural human being. You can even assume you are talking to someone you know. Multi-turn conversation. So Cloud AI, one of the unique factors with Cloud AI is that there is what's called multi-turn conversation. And someone in the comment section I see asking, what does this mean? What's multi-turn conversation? So the Cloud AI engages users in extended dialogue, maintaining context over multiple exchanges for better responses. You know, when you talk to Cloud AI, it will tend to be more elaborative to you than you expect. Context retention. So Cloud AI remembers prior messages, allowing it to provide relevant answers based on the conversation history. Assume, look at it like a WhatsApp. You have three friends, one chat per friend, and the chat are saved. It's a Cloud AI. You click a chat, it is saved. Next day or next year, if you come to the same chat, you can proceed where you left, and Cloud AI will recall whatever you discussed last year. And that's one unique factor with Cloud AI. Tell me in the comment section if that has ever worked for you and what you can advise to your fella. So let us move on and look at the safety features. What are some of the safety features? Or as one of the key features, let us consider safety features of Cloud AI. Implemented safety measures ensure Cloud AI's response remain appropriate and trustworthy, meaningful, minimizing harmful outputs. Go and try to tell Claude AI to teach you how to rob a bank. It will not, because there are some safety features which are in it. And that's one thing you can be assured of your data protection in Cloud AI. Unlike other AI systems like ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Though I'm not against them, but Cloud AI is the super and other super which we shall be covering in our classes. So without also wasting of time, let us continue and look at how Cloud AI functions. After understanding the term Cloud AI, some of the features and the benefit of Cloud AI, now let's look at how it functions because it's somewhere which is prominent. Now, say I want to use Cloud AI. Cloud AI utilizes a transformer-based architecture familiar to GPT models, emphasizing safety, reliability through constitutional AI principle during its training on reverse. Remember, AI is trained on a large amount of data set, and that's where the ethical also comes in. So you can be there training things to do with AI, but tomorrow you will find yourself as one of the AI trainers because we needed to, they have need for ethical trainers, many branches. You see, for AI to be AI, it has required a lot of disciplines, a lot of people. And that's why there's a rumor going on that AI is going to take the jobs of the people. But it's a rumor because AI is creating the jobs themselves. Even the trainers of AI are being created there, are being there. Are being modeled. Aha, common use cases. Number one, customer support. Cloud AI automates responses frequently asked questions, enhancing customer engagement and satisfaction. You can use AI in your customer response. Say you're a data analyst of a business organization. You can use the AI to assist you in the research, to avoid wastage of time, and to improve the quality of your responses through the Cloud AI. Once you do research, you analyze it the way you are while there was no AI. Content creation. With Cloud AI, users can generate original content, making writing easier and more efficient. This is one thing researchers can do, which is more better. So you can. I don't know whether you have realized something in this video, but tell me in the comment section, then we shall proceed from there. But let's proceed the next. So just get started with Cloud AI today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Because if you are not using Cloud AI, I tell you, you are missing a lot. You are actually missing a lot of things. Number one, access AI Cloud or Cloud AI through platforms or APIs to begin a journey. But for me, I'll tell or I'll advocate that you access it through via platforms. So you can go to the web interface and access Cloud AI, set up your account, and start using it. You can have two or one account. It's good for a student, and if you're a worker, go to Pro and pay something there. But for if you're a student, you can work with free but have some two accounts. You get it? Let us proceed. And if you want assistance with the creation, if you are facing challenges with the account creation in the for Cloud AI, just go to my bio, pick my contact, then I'll also elaborate a video on that. So basic conversation demo. Normally, and you can confirm this with me, when you open Cloud AI, the first thing it greets you. So Claude AI responds to simple greetings with natural fluency and engagement. So AI makes the conversation to be interactional. Factual questions. Claude AI answers factual questions accurately, showcasing conversation capability. And mostly this is very important when you are using super prompting skills. And I told you the other day, if you want to learn prompting skills, You can go to my bio and write for me something there. Or you can even tell me one on one or write in the comment section. Then we'll see how we can guide you because you have a lot of guidance here and there. Advanced query handling, summarization, summarization. Claude AI can effectively summarize lengthy articles. Yesterday, I was reading the book about Pan Africanism. It was written by someone called Ngugen Ngungwa. I think if that's the good pronunciation. And it was like the book is 290 pages, but I don't have time because I have time for other things, not to read per page. So what I did, I just go on with the prompt, a good prompt, I give the book to AI and it summarized it to 20 pages and I read it within 20 minutes and I got the content. And believe me, if you ask me anything about that book, Colonizing the Mind, I know it because of the Cloud AI. So creative writing, Cloud AI excels at generating coherent and engaging creative content on various topics. There was a time I was stuck in the spreadsheet examination. What was good, it was things to do with the online exam. I just gave, because I was new to everything, I gave AI the thing. And what it did to me, it gave me the spreadsheet very full worked. And believe me, I got 96 without my knowledge. But I don't advise that though, because you have to learn. Actually, for me, I went and also told AI to give me the summary of whatever it did, and I went and learned there. So you can also work like that. Though don't give AI to do and you don't even understand what it is working. That's a wastage of yourself. So best practices for using Cloud AI, because I told you AI can be biased of course and Cloud AI is AI, so it can be biased, you never know. And some of the best practices: use clear prompt, use specific conscience writing. Talk to AI as if you are explaining something to someone special, because once you decide to use AI cloud, it must be something which is very important. So give clear prompts, and if you want prompting skills, just approach me and I'll give appropriate guidance. Iterative refinement. Continuously refine your queries for the better result. Don't accept the first output of the AI. Always trigger it to give you more and more. And through this, you're going to learn how best you can have it. System the messages. Implement system messages to establish the tone and style of the interaction. And this all comes in the prompting scale. Then monitor also the bias. AI, I told you, there is some bias, some bias because AI is trained in large amount of data, and maybe the trainers were biased or not, or they were biased but didn't know. So always confirm what the AI gives you, because you can realize that you will use some output which does not align with what you want. So always confirm the bias status. Comparing AI assistance. So Cloud AI excels in safety and alignment, offering unique API access and tailored user case sustainability. And this is one thing which makes the Cloud AI to be more and more very, very unique. Tips. So I think by this time, if you have not understand things to do with the Cloud AI, you can leave me a comment. Or you can go to my website. You can go to my website. It is www.riho.github.i.o. There's a booking part there. You can book me for you to have a coaching session like this, one-on-one live, or you can also, yeah, you can also join one of our platforms, see in my website. Summary and next steps. So you see, our next class we are going to look at what Cloud AI. In our next class we are going to elaborate more on other models of AI. Also, we are going to look at Canva AI elaboratedly. So what I need you to do, if you have not subscribed and you come across this video, please hit that subscribe button and share this with your colleagues who require this. Remember, this is just a beginning. You are developing something you cannot realize. Hi guys, and that marks the end of our today's class elaboration of Cloud AI. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so that you stay updated on the next very tips. And the next, you are going to look at geometric progression and arithmetic, and we are going to look at a Canva AI elaborate. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next part of it.